Hello everyone. In this video, we'll walk through routine maintenance for Phonak hearing aids. Be sure to have replacement wax guards and a brush on hand. Now would also be a good time to replace your domes if you'd like. We'll start off by removing the dome. Grab the dome by one of the sides and peel it off. Place the wax guard tool in one hand and your hearing aid in the other. Place the speaker of your hearing aid into slot 1 firmly and then pull it out. The wax guard has now been removed. Place the speaker of your hearing aid into slot 2 firmly and then pull it out. The wax guard has now been replaced. Now would be the time to place your old or new dome onto your hearing aid. The final step is to brush the microphones. This is to remove any debris that could be causing disruption. You should perform maintenance on your hearing aids about once a month. Now you're good to go. If you found this video helpful, leave us a like, a comment, and subscribe to our channel.